Review of Deepak Fertilizers, a company that is nourishing plants as well as nourishing the investors' wealth. Looking at the rankings, earnings rank is at 98.5, the topmost. Only 1.5% of companies from our track list are better than Deepak Fertilizers in the market today. 740 stocks being tracked. Out of that, 1.5% is better. That means about 10 companies are only better than Deepak Fertilizers in the market. On the price rank, 85.2, again, fantastic position. Stocks above 70 are worth to be tracked, and some above 80 are qualified to be in a portfolio. Plotting the price rank chart 6 months back, Deepak Fertilizers was ranking at 70.1. That's where it qualified to come up. And afterwards, it moves up close to 96. Has a small consolidation. Price took a little breather. And towards the right edge, again it goes up above 80 and currently at 85.2. It was not a Superman, while though it has done a big jump. Coming to the EBITDA growth, quarterly EBITDA growth, 2018 September quarterly, Deepak Fertilizer was at negative 13.37%. After that, it had a steady increase, went up to 500 plus percentage of growth in June 2020, September 20 holding on at 60%. That is, if September 19 quarterly the company had made 100 rupees profits, September 20 quarterly Deepak Fertilizer has made 160 rupees profit, 60% more than what they made in the last year, same quarter. Coming to TTM, another beautiful climb. It's like looking like a swing that is put into motion. September 18, EBITDA growth, TTM EBITDA growth was minus 33%, and from there, a small stay at the lows, and afterwards it climbs up from 2019 onwards. Coming to the 2020 September, it is at 174%. Stupendous growth. Big profits are being generated by this company. On the peer group rank comparison, Deepak Fertilizers holds the top slot, both on PRS, price rank, as well as earnings rank. Lowest among them on the price rank is Tata Chemicals, yet this stock also has been doing very good in the market. So whole chemical space is up. Among them, Deepak Fertilizer leads at the top. Earnings rank, Aarti Industries, another good stock, yet ranking is dropped. Probably this shows that the stocks in this industry group have began to get tired. Looks like they've made a big run, lot of time spent on the upside. Now they might take a little breather. So those who have invested in chemical space, fertilizer space, can look at profit booking and hold a light position so that future gains also can be captured. Coming to business growth, profit had a robust performance. It's been consistently going up. Sales and margins still yet to pick up. So that means the company's profits will even go up if the sales picks up strength. So profits, galore of profits are being made by investors in this stock. Company is also making profit, investors also are making profit. Coming to investors, Deepak Fertilizer is a small market cap company. So that's why we put this image here. A big growth getting into a small car, while big companies are looking with awe. What is this? So it's not a big stock to attract big investors, obviously. So retail participation is very high, and they've been making fantastic gains from the stock. Coming to the charts, on the left side we have the monthly chart of Deepak Fertilizer. 2019 itself, this stock took a bottom, where bears actually kind of vacated the stock while the uptrend did not hold strength because COVID avoided the bullish strength for the stock. The uptrend was not so powerful at that time. When due to COVID, when the stock came to another low, that time it even gave a better strength where bears were almost zero, and from there it takes off, has a powerful run. Nearly 5 months of big uptrend, afterwards a small consolidation. This consolidation is what ticked down the ranking, and at the right edge towards December the stock started going up. Of course, it's become little volatile. 180, when the stock reaches 180, it should be having some resistance. While the patterns show here, it can continue with a slower pace. Upside will keep continuing in this stock. So all the views expressed are the thoughts and ideas on the stock markets from our side, not stock specific. Do your due diligence and get to know the risks, get comfortable with the risk the stocks carry, and then take a decision to buy the stock. Deepak Fertilizers will continue on its upward journey, while a small market cap stock having lesser exposures will be better, because getting out from on a small company is little challenging, though retail participation is very high. Thank you.